Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the boldest and most luxurious motorhomes ever built, the 2025 Kenworth T2450 motorhome. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a luxury penthouse on wheels, powered by a heavy-duty Kenworth chassis. At its heart is a 15-liter Cummins X15 diesel engine, delivering a massive 605 horsepower and 2,050 lb-ft of torque. Whether you're tackling steep climbs or cruising coast to coast, this beast dominates the road. On the outside, it looks like something out of a futuristic movie. Chrome accents, LED lighting, and smooth aluminum paneling give the T2450 a sleek, aggressive stance. It's tough, it's stylish, and it turns heads wherever it goes. But the real magic begins when you step inside. The 2025 T2450 is pure luxury. Think Italian leather recliners, handcrafted wooden cabinets, heated marble floors, and a full chef's kitchen with an induction cooktop and smart fridge. There's even a fireplace and a massive 75-inch OLED smart TV. Here at Honest Auto Wheels, we're all about smart innovation, and this motorhome delivers. Voice-controlled everything, app-connected systems, a 20 kW lithium battery bank, and a solar panel roof that keeps you powered off-grid for days. It's high-tech, and it's all integrated seamlessly. Driving it feels like piloting a luxury aircraft. The panoramic 18-inch curved digital dash gives you real-time diagnostics, terrain tracking, GPS, and more. With adaptive cruise control, lane, assist, and a 360-degree camera, the T2450 offers confidence behind the wheel, even for first-timers. Comfort is king, and the air suspension with auto-leveling means you're always parked perfectly, no matter the surface. Add in triple-sealed insulation and noise-canceling panels, and you've got near-silent luxury anywhere on Earth. Storage? Unmatched. With a full under-chassis cargo system, custom mounts for bikes, and even a rear garage that fits a small car or motorcycle. This rig is made for people who live large on the move. And for families or creators, the customizable rear zone can be a second bedroom, a private office, a mobile gym, or your dream studio. Water and waste systems are ultra-modern, too, self-cleaning, UV-treated, and built for long journeys with massive 200-gallon water tanks and automated disposal systems. Starting at around $1.2 million, the 2025 Kenworth T2450 motorhome isn't for everyone. But if you crave luxury, independence, and adventure, this is your dream machine. That wraps up our deep dive into this incredible mobile mansion. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Honest Auto Wheels, where we bring you the best in bikes, cars, trucks, and dream rides like the Kenworth T2450. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next journey.